Let's quickly talk about IdeaBuddy and LivePlan. So I want to do a quick compare and contrast so we have a clear idea which one is better for business plan software. So here's an overview I want you to pay attention to. So when you think about IdeaBuddy, what is this software used for? See, when you think about IdeaBuddy, I want you to think about an innovative business plan software tool that helps new age entrepreneurs. I'm talking about solopreneurs. I'm talking about freelancers actually get a lot done. In other words, they can turn their ideas into successful business plans. But the tool is not just for solopreneurs, like one-person businesses too, though. It can be used by teams, not a problem. And IdeaBuddy is designed on a principle where users can develop, test, and launch their business idea all in one place. So this element of centrality is really important. And its business plan builder documents the sections from business guide and creates a modern business plan that you can download as a PDF or Word document and share with others. And the Idea Plan features offers a simple one-page canvas to help you quickly build a business model and define the critical elements of your idea before diving into details. So while the whiteboard allows you to collaborate and brainstorm ideas with your teammates in real time, no matter where they are at, you can still do things on your own, not a problem. The most important financial planning tool helps forecast profit and loss, make cash flow projections, and map out the financial future of your business. And this is really good. So when you think about IdeaBuddy, think about an ideation product, okay? It could be an excellent investment for startups to create a comprehensive business plan. However, it may need, in our view, more advanced planning and financial planning functionalities, design customizations, and AI assistance. Okay, so this is kind of important. So this is for IdeaBuddy. What about LivePlan? LivePlan is also a business planning and management software created to help entrepreneurs and small business owners succeed through strategic business planning. With tools like LivePlan, creating a business plan takes only a few hours, which used to take several weeks or months to complete back in the days. And the LivePlan tool simplifies professional business plan creation with its instruction manuals, tutorials, and expert guidance, whereas its automated financials built in with formulas ensure precise financial forecasting. With its robust financial and budgeting capabilities, users can easily track financial projections, create and manage budgets, and track the company's financial health. In contrast, AI assistance helps write or improve content using artificial intelligence. So overall, based on our analysis, LivePlan provides a comprehensive suite of features, including one-page plans, budgeting, financial reporting, collaboration tools, AI assistance, automatic financials. You also have other tools and capabilities to create a seamless business planning experience. And so this is really important to really keep in mind. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. Now let me talk to you about the specs here. So when we analyze LivePlan and IdeaBuddy, let's go into like more granularity. I want to first talk about IdeaBuddy. Okay, so considering user reviews and overall ratings, both tools stand very close to each other but are best known for different features. For instance, LivePlan has been in the market for quite some time now. We're talking about two to 3 decades, and offers advanced planning features that IdeaBuddy may miss out on. In contrast, IdeaBuddy offers an easy-to-use user interface and better customer support, putting it, in our view, ahead of LivePlan in terms of these factors. However, it's really important to really know exactly what your team wants and what kind of features that you need, okay? So when we talk about IdeaBuddy, you have to understand, IdeaBuddy is actually more affordable than LivePlan, and I'll talk about pricing later on, but I just want to quickly give you some of the differentiators that you have to pay attention to. So if you care about user friendliness, if you care about customer support, if you care about affordability, you want to go with IdeaBuddy. If you care about sophistication, if you care about step-by-step guidance, if you care about, again, when I talk about sophistication, I'm talking about sophistication from A to Z, right? From a strategic planning all the way to financial reporting and financial forecasting. Now, financial forecasting and financial planning are things that are not really well developed in IdeaBuddy, because IdeaBuddy is an ideation It's an idea creation. It's a brainstorming tool. Whereas LivePlan is more of a business plan creation tool. Okay, so you have to really think about that. So what I was trying to say here is that when you sort of think about when you think about IdeaBuddy, I want you to think about a tool that is very customizable, that is very the UX and UI are very great, and so this is really cool. But do not expect IdeaBuddy to help you create a fully fledged business plan. Okay, but something that the LivePlan can do for you. The LivePlan is not going to give you ideas. It's not going to help you in the brainstorming phase. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about LivePlan versus IdeaBuddy business plan software. Let's talk about the reviews here, okay? I want to first start with IdeaBuddy. And the thing is, I want to quickly go through the pros and cons of each software tool so we have a clear idea which one is better and which one is not, okay? So I first want to talk to you about IdeaBuddy. I want to talk about the pros and cons. So when you think about IdeaBuddy, let's first talk about the pros. The handy built-in editor helps you edit text and decide which elements to keep or exclude. IdeaBuddy offers an innovative guide on how to start a business, details including building a concept, researching your market, and more. The whiteboard feature is excellent for collaborating and brainstorming ideas with others in real time. So this is kind of cool when it comes to collaborate. Like if you are trying to collaborate with your team members, this is really great. And so those are the main pros you have to think about when you think about IdeaBuddy. Let's now talk about the negatives, the cons. IdeaBuddy has limited features in terms of design options, pricing tiers, and financial calculations associated with other parts of the idea. IdeaBuddy builds your business plan as you complete the steps in the business guide, so customizing the final draft can be tedious. IdeaBuddy needs an update for its lag while loading the financial plan and editing the details. Let's talk about LivePlan. So LivePlan, I want to quickly go through the pros and cons so you have a clear idea what I'm talking about here. So I want to start with the pros here. So running a business plan is easy because LivePlan has a step-by-step guidance, and it also has you have AI assistance, so artificial intelligence. So this is kind of cool, and you have industry-specific business plan templates. And it provides industry benchmarks and suggests budget items to help you understand your market and make informed decisions. Its automated financials built in with formulas helps you automatically project your cash flow. So this is kind of cool when it comes to liquidity management or liquidity projection or let's just say liquidity forecasting. Okay, so those are the pros here. Now let's talk about the cons here. LivePlan only connects to Xero and QuickBooks, and you have no control over the data or the time period that it really syncs. And some users may find LivePlan challenging to try and figure out even after watching video tutorials and guides. This is something that we have seen time and again. And LivePlan's formatting options are a bit limited in certain aspects of formatting, including, for example, not providing font selection options. So if you really care about those things, then you will really will not like the limitations here. Let's talk about pricing here. So basically, I want to show you on the screen here. Here's the LivePlan pricing model as of the date of this show. So you have basically two pricing tiers. You have the standard and the premium, right? And the premium is actually twice as much the standard. And it's really important to understand that both tools have different pricing plans and subscription models, but only IdeaBuddy has a free plan. IdeaBuddy's Team Pro costs about $22 per month and lets you collaborate with up to 10 team members, whereas LivePlan's premium plan costs $30 a month and lets you team up with 5 members. So when you analyze this, just looking at the prices, looking at the numbers, LivePlan is more expensive than IdeaBuddy, right? But also LivePlan has more features too, though. Okay, I want to show you right now on the screen. Here is the pricing for IdeaBuddy. So IdeaBuddy, you have the free, the Dreamer, the Founder, and the Team Pro. So the Team Pro, they're charging you $20. Okay, And it's really important to understand that with IdeaBuddy, you can add additional collaborators while choosing a plan, which is really not the case with LivePlan. So it's one of those things you have to really think about. So when you think about IdeaBuddy, you have to really understand that it's all a matter of scalability, okay? And also all a matter of ideation. In other words, idea generation. If you're trying to really have one of the best business plans, if you want to create one of the best business plans in the market, you really want to know the number of users that you will be onboarding through IdeaBuddy or a LivePlan. You need to know the resources that you have in terms of budgeting. You need to know the features that you would like to have. Do you want to have a collaborative environment, or do you want to have a step-by-step guidance? Do you want to have also you want to have step-by-step guidance? Do you want to have also artificial intelligence helping you? I mean, nowadays people talk about ChatGPT, but do you want to have that? If not, so you got to really have a clear idea of what you really need. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about LivePlan versus IdeaBuddy, business plan software. I want to talk to you about the features here. So when we talk about the LivePlan versus IdeaBuddy, we want to pay attention to certain features, and there are also certain features that are important and really let you know exactly what kind of software you should go after. So I want to first talk about step-by-step guidance. Okay, you have it in IdeaBuddy, you have it also in LivePlan. That's for sure. Business plan outline. You do not have it in IdeaBuddy, you have it in LivePlan. AI assistance, you don't have it in IdeaBuddy, you have it in LivePlan. Task management, you have it in both IdeaBuddy and LivePlan. Progress tracker, you have it in both IdeaBuddy and LivePlan. Real-time feedback, you have it in IdeaBuddy, but you don't always have it in LivePlan. Okay, you have drag and drop templates in LivePlan, of course. In IdeaBuddy, no. And the pin board, you have it in LivePlan. You have visual layouts in both. You have one-page pitch builder in both. You have business plan version control in both, although it's a little more convoluted in IdeaBuddy. And the performance dashboard, you have it in LivePlan, you don't have it in IdeaBuddy. And strategic planning, you can use both tools for that. So when we talk about the in-depth financial planning comparison, it's really important to understand, as I just said, that basically, like if you go with LivePlan or IdeaBuddy, you can see that LivePlan is more superior when it comes to financial planning within your business plan. So LivePlan has a lot of things, like a lot of features around financial reporting, a dashboard, automatic financials, country currency formatting, and more. However, LivePlan lacks advanced forecasting functionalities like what-if scenarios, modern revenue projections, and integrations with accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks. Okay, this is something to really keep in mind. And what I want to say here is that, again, it all depends on what's really important for you, right? And because normally a standard fully fledged business plan should have financial features or financial reporting that revolves around financial forecast calculators, financial dashboards, financial reporting, automatic financials, country currency formatting, what-if scenarios, modern revenue projections, team salary forecast, financial exports to Excel, adding reports to your plans, real-time profit and cash forecasting, integrating with Xero and QuickBooks. You should have that. But like none of those, neither IdeaBuddy nor LivePlan has all of those features. So it's something that you need to really think of on a case-by-case basis. Let me talk to you about it. Let me give you an in-depth step-by-step guide and templates comparison. So the thing is that we actually compare the business plan builder and financial features of both planning software. And it's really important to understand that when you think about LivePlan, LivePlan includes industry-specific business plan templates, step-by-step instructions, webinars and events, and how-to articles and guides to help you create a business plan, whereas IdeaBuddy only provides step-by-step instructions. This is where I was just telling you that LivePlan is actually more sophisticated, if you will, than IdeaBuddy in certain areas. What about the collaboration capability? So basically, It's IdeaBuddy and LivePlan allow users to invite unlimited guest viewers and a specific number of collaborators. Now, the number of collaborators will actually impact the amount of the cost, the subscription cost you have to shell out here. And for instance, IdeaBuddy's founder plan includes 3 members, whereas LivePlan standard and premium plans include access to 5 members. So you can see right off the bat that you have a delta there. Okay. Moreover, with IdeaBuddy, you can purchase additional team member access, which isn't the case with LivePlan. This is really important to keep that in mind. It's one of those things where if you work in a let's say you work in a multi-team environment and you have multiple projects happening at the same time, and you have multiple team members actually collaborating on multiple projects, it makes sense to actually have IdeaBuddy because you can purchase additional team member access. Okay, but if you go with a plan as rigid as the LivePlans, you will not be able to purchase additional team member access. You're going to have to upgrade, or you're going to have to upgrade to a higher plan, or you're going to have to contact LivePlan to negotiate. You do not want to do that. You do not want to negotiate pricing when you are already live in a project, because then you don't have leverage anymore, because the provider knows that you need them and they might actually increase prices. Okay. So what is our verdict here? So when you think about LivePlan versus IdeaBuddy, which business plan software is the best? Which one should you go after? It really depends on the level of sophistication, the level of your needs, really. Okay. And it's really important to understand that LivePlan and IdeaBuddy are incredible business plan software. However, you have to think about what really is good for you. Go with LivePlan if you need something more, I would say all in one. You need all the features, and go with IdeaBuddy if you're interested with ideation. You want an ideation tool. You want also if you need a bare bones business plan software tool, then go with IdeaBuddy. I'm not saying that IdeaBuddy is bare bones business plan software tool. It's just that it doesn't have the breadth and depth of features that you find in LivePlan. Okay. And so IdeaBuddy is primarily a business plan software, an idea creation tool for new startups, not actually an advanced budgeting software. While it does have some basic financial features like financial reporting, a dashboard, and a forecast calculator, it is not a fully fledged budgeting solution, and neither is LivePlan, by the way. Okay, and so basically, when you talk about LivePlan, you do not have a free plan, trial, or demo. However, they offer a 35-day money-back guarantee on all their plans. And when you think about IdeaBuddy, I want you to really think about the fact that the most significant limitation of IdeaBuddy is the fact that it doesn't have customization features. While it's best for rookie entrepreneurs to create their first ever business plan, it doesn't have much to offer for advanced business and financial planning. So if you are in the industry for a while and you're looking for a sophisticated, again, I want to go back to the word sophisticated business plan software tool, you're not going to find it in IdeaBuddy. So IdeaBuddy is actually great for business planning if you're new. Okay, if you're new, this is really fine. But if you want something more, let's say something more sophisticated, something broader, something more advanced, go with LivePlan. Yes, it's going to cost you a lot more, but it is definitely worth it. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was comparing and contrasting LivePlan to IdeaBuddy, and I actually gave you the overview, the specs, the reviews, the pricing, the features, and our verdict. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.